Hey gorgeous, welcome to Perky Blush. If you are new to my channel, hello, I am Medha. I hope you like the video and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a facial routine that I did at my home, and I really loved how my skin felt and looked after this routine. I used all Indian skincare brands, different products from different brands, and I talked about it on Instagram. Hope you follow me on Instagram as Perky Blush. So that's where I posted about it, and a few of you really wanted to see what I did. So here I am talking about all the products that I used in the sequence I used and why I love those products. So quickly, let's get into the video. So as a first product to clean my skin, I used this Vilva Honey Fix face wash. Now I really love using this face wash. This has all natural ingredients, especially honey, which is nourishing on the skin. Vilva is a skincare brand that I found on Instagram, and I am enjoying a lot of products that I have from this brand already, and this is one of the favorite. I use it mostly at the night time because it's quite cleansing. When you want to clean your skin of all the pollution and sweat of whole day, this is one face wash that can easily do that. So yes, I use that shampoo. I use this face wash as the first step, and I like to use toner after every other step I do. So this is the facial toner that I have been using that day. This is the Bella Facial Tonic Mist from Forest Essentials. I love a lot of products from Forest Essentials, and hope you have seen my video of Forest Essentials collection. I will post the link somewhere up there, so do check that out as well. So after I washed my face with that face wash, I just sprayed this mist all over my face to kind of refresh the face and kind of hydrate it at once. As a second step, now we have done the cleansing. Now I wanted to do the facial massage, and for that I used this Tejasvi emulsion from Forest Essentials again. As I told you, I used all Indian organic brands to do my facial at home that day. I used this Tejasvi emulsion to massage my skin. Now this has pure desi ghee, pure cow ghee in it, which is very nourishing. Especially in the winter season, you would like to kind of give your face a lot of nourishment to deal with that dryness and flakiness on your skin if it occurs. So this really is something that you can use in winters. If you are an oily skin person, I would really ask you to stay away because it's really oily kind of a texture. It's pure ghee in it with a lot of other ingredients that brighten your skin and lighten your skin. This can be used as a night thing every day, but I usually use it as a weekly or fortnightly routine thing. So I massaged my face for like good 5-10 minutes using this one, and then usually if you use it every time, you can just use a wet cloth to clean your face of all the residual that is not absorbed while massaging. But on that day I moved to doing scrubbing, and to do the scrub I used this Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi scrub. This is my favoriteest from entire Kama Ayurveda thing. I don't know how many jars of this I have actually used. I'll just show you the texture. It has very small scrubbing particles. It is very small scrubbing particles, which are very good if you are someone with sensitive skin, or if you don't want to use some harsh ingredients on your skin. So this comes very nice in that case. It has kumkumadi oil, so it won't dry your skin. It's not harsh. So after massaging my skin that day with the emulsion, I moved on to the scrub to kind of remove all that excess oil from that and scrub my skin to remove all the dead skin cells and all the roughness on the skin, blackheads. So scrubbing is very important for that. After using that scrub, I kind of washed my face and again moved to the mist. I used the mist again, sprayed it on my face, and then again it was time for face mask. For face mask again, I went to Vilva and I used this Wild Rose face pack. This has really become one of my favorite from the brand. You know, it is very nice. It can be used in all skin type. It has this nice gel-like texture and it smells so amazing. It smells just like you have a rose bouquet in your hand. Seriously, it is really nice, and it has very good ingredients list. If you see, it has aloe vera, it has kaolin clay, it has glycerin, it has rose. So it has all those brightening and soothing ingredients that you would need after having a lot of scrub done on your skin. So yes, I did a face pack and applied this for 15-20 minutes and washed my face. And again, because I washed my face, I again went back and sprayed the tonic mist. Toner is my, toner is the step after everything I use. So this was that day. Alright, so now we were done with massaging, scrubbing and face mask. The last step was just to moisturize my skin before I would go to bed. And for that, I had this Indulgio Rose Gold oil. Now I've talked about this mostly in my makeup videos, which you would find on Instagram and not on YouTube much. So this is a very illuminating oil, very nice moisturizing oil. It has real gold in it, and if you can see in this video, it has very nice fragrance. It feels very moisturizing, and if you apply a few drops, like 2 to 3 drops on the face and massage it at night, you will wake up with a plump, nourished skin. And I really clicked a lot of pictures that day because I felt my skin was looking very nice after doing this routine. So yeah, you can try this routine at home and let me know how you find it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.